So today we're going to learn the history and geography of Spain. Keywords: north, south, east, west, plains, mountains. So here's Spain. Spain
is in southwest Europe. There is the mainland of Spain, many islands and lands in North Africa.
So we have the mainland, islands, and land in North Africa. So here's Spain in southwest Europe.
Spain has cool, warm winters and hot summers. The north has cold winters and warm summers. The southeast is hot and dry most of the year.
So the north is cold to warm. Most of Spain is cool, warm, hot, and southeast is dry and hot. Now, we are going to draw the geography of Spain. Remember?
Blue for water.
Yep, blue for water. Then,
Is the mainland of Spain. Many islands and lands in North Africa.
Canary Islands and Balearic Islands,
Are the main islands.
Ceuta
And Melilla are the main islands in North Africa.
So over here in the west, Ceuta, here, Melilla in the east. On your map, write the names of the 4 places.
左下角的岛屿，还有北非2个城市，2个黑点点，还有最右边的岛屿。看不到的话，左边内容的第1段题字都是他们的地名。
So have a look at paragraph 1 to find the spelling. Everyone remember the Canary Islands. You need to write 4 names. everyone?
Has many mountains. The highest mountain in Netherlands is
Mountain State.
The highest mountain in Spain is
So on your map, in the Canary Islands, the highest mountain. South of Spain, the second highest. So mainland highest, highest overall. Draw the two mountains. So Spain has many mountains. Next to France, there's all mountains. Northwest, mountains. In the middle, there's mountains. In the south, there's mountains. So you need to draw all the mountains. So next to France, northwest, in the middle, in the south, and you have the two highest mountains. Okay, next.
One more plan is very high plains.
Plateau. A plateau is like a mountain, but instead of being steep, it goes up and then flat.
高高的平地是什么？
高原。
高原。
The
Largest place in Spain is the
inner plateau. So on your map, draw the red. The mountains in the northwest, to the mountains in the middle, then down south to the mountains, and then west into Portugal. You will have some mountains in the middle of your plateau.
沿着你刚才画的那个山，把高原画出来。
Okay. The
is the
eyebrow.
river is in the north of Spain, going southeast.
So here it is. In the north, going southeast.
One of the main rivers near Madrid is the Tagus River, which goes west into
Portugal. So it's in the middle of Spain, going west. On your map, draw the two rivers. What color? Blue. When drawing the river, if you start at the end and go back, it is easier. So you can follow the coast, see where it sticks out, and then follow the river back.
里面的出海口往回跑，下面的那一条在长得很漂亮，上面的那一条
So your map should look like this. Remember to make your map free.
介绍一下，地图上面的 map key 也要画，努力要画一下。
Okay, what is the highest mountain in Spain? Okay, where is the inner plateau?
高原在哪边？
Yeah, in the middle. Here it is, in the middle. What Spanish land is in North Africa?
北非的两个城市叫什么？
So what places are in North Africa? Ceuta and Melilla. Yes. Very good. So here are the questions. Highest mountain in the middle, and Ceuta and Melilla. Now, we are going to talk about the history. On your paper, you can highlight the key words. You can underline. You can write Chinese. You can take notes. Everyone?
People have lived in Spain for more than 1.2 billion years.
1000 BC
to 600 BC, more people from other parts of Europe came to Spain.
So from the other parts of Europe, lots of people from Greece, they all went to Spain. The Romans
Came to Spain in 220 BC and controlled
Spain and then controlled all of Spain. So from Italy, the Romans went to the east and then controlled all of Spain.
意大利的罗马人。
The Romans were in Spain for 600 years until they lost control in 419 AD. People from North and Central Europe took control of Spain.
So the Romans lost control. Lots of people from the north of Europe, Central Europe, they came to Spain. So lots of different people. Okay, how long have people lived in Spain? Very good. So people lived in Spain 1.2 million years. Where did the Romans come from? Where? Where? Yeah, Italy. They did come from Rome. When did the Romans lose control? So what year did they lose control? 419 AD.
The different groups in Spain fought each other for control. In 711, the Moors attacked the different groups in Spain.
So in Spain, there were lots of different groups and they were fighting. In 711, the Moors, they saw the different groups in Spain fighting, so they went to Spain and attacked. They were fighting.
The Moors quickly took control of most of Spain.
So from North Africa, the Moors quickly took control over most of Spain. Only the north stopped them.
Only a few groups in the north of Spain continued to fight the Moors. The groups in the north of Spain slowly won more control from the Moors.
So slowly, from the very north, they got more land, more control.
The different groups in the north of Spain each had their own king or queen. By 1300s, the Moors only controlled the south of Spain.
So, at this time, there were many kings and many queens in Spain. Each group had their own king or queen. And by 1300, the Moors were pushed to the south of Spain. So slowly, the Moors lost control. So 1150, they controlled half of Spain. 1300, only the south.
The Queen of Castile and King of Aragon married in 1469. This is the founding of Spain.
So the two big groups, Castile and Aragon, they king and queen got married. So most of Spain now had one king, one queen. So this is the start of Spain. Most of Spain, now one king, one queen.
By 1492, the wars were meant to leave Spain.
So the two groups are one, and then they attacked the Moors and made them leave.
Soon after, the king and queen allowed Christopher Columbus to explore. He found the New World.
So after they made the Moors leave Spain, the king and queen gave some money to Christopher Columbus and said, go look for stuff, go explore. So from Spain, Columbus went and found the Americas.
所以西班牙王室资助哥伦布去探险，最后发现新大陆，包括美国。
When did the Moors take control of Spain?
北非的摩尔人什么时候开始掌控西班牙的？一个很容易记的年代。隔壁有开的。
So, yep. Very good, Allen's. 7-Eleven. About how many years were the Moors in Spain? How long?
71年开始到他们离开，总共有多少年？
200 years? 500 years? 900 years? A little bit more than 6? Yeah. About 700, 800 years. What happened in 1469?
两个国家怎么样？
Yeah, the king and queen got married, and this is the start of Spain. The founding of Spain, the start of Spain.
Spain soon started to control other countries, Americas, the Canary Islands, North Africa.
So, after finding the Americas, Spain started to control countries. And the Spanish continued to attack the Moors. So after making them leave Spain, the Spanish then went to North Africa and took land from the Moors. So up here, took the Canary Islands.
The first
Global empire.
controlling countries in Europe, Africa, Asia, and the Americas.
So they control countries in the Americas, Africa, Europe, and Asia.
Between the late 1700s to 1898, Spain slowly lost most of its empire.
Now, I'm going to show you a clip about Spain's empire. Spain's empire is in red. And if you look over by here at Taiwan, you see it turns red very quickly.
西班牙帝国的领土哦。最后只剩下欧洲那一块。一开始 洲、南美洲、非洲地区、亚洲部分国家。
In 1931, the King of Spain lost control and Spain became a republic.
Francisco Franco
Controlled Spain from 1939 until his death in 1975.
So, was Franco a king?
Was he a king?
Was he a king? No. Why? Spain was a republic. So no king, no queen. He was just the boss. He was the leader.
他是总理那样。
After Franco's death,
Spain got a new king, but he had little power or control. Today, Spain still has a king and controls land in North Africa and the Canary Islands.
so this is the king of Spain today. And Spain still has a little empire because it controls lands in North Africa and the Canary Islands. What does republic mean? Yeah, no king or queen. When did Spain lose most of its empire?
几年到几年间？
Good. Yeah. Between the 1700s to 1898. What happened in 1975?
刚刚说的总理那一位是谁？
Franco died, yeah, and
就有一个新的
Spain got a new king. Franco died, Spain got a new king. Now, on the back of your papers,
翻面。
look at this map. You have 6 sentences. You need to read the sentences to find the places. Each square is 100 km by 100 km. So number 1, the Royal
Palace is in the middle of Spain, about
450 km coast of Portugal. So here is the coast of Portugal.
葡萄牙海岸
How many squares do we need to go across? It's 450 km away.
一格100公里，所以450公里。
Yes, we need to go 4.5. So we start on the coast. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we need to go half, which takes us to H5. H5 is the Royal Palace.
所以那个黑点点写上 Royal Palace。就到了在第一节出题字的地方。
Okay, number 2, Scala Familia is about 120 kilometers from the Royal 1, and then point 2 takes us to 3. So within 3, how many squares across?
5公里。
So it's 500, so we need to go 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where are we? And 3.
M3 那一个画一个点点，写上15到16点。
Okay, I'll let you find 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, who can tell me which square is Alhambra? Yeah. Go down 350. So we're in H8. Where is the Guggenheim Museum? Yep. Up to H1. Mallorca, 550 km east. Yep. We are in N5 and 6. All of this island is Mallorca. And number 6, White Towns, F9. 100 km north of Shooter. Alice.